Hi everybody, and if you can remember correctly, I broke my exhaust mount and I twisted 3 stainless steel TIG wires together and welded them in to stiffen it up, and then I painted them black, and then I kind of sanded over them and polished over them so to make them look, and it came out pretty nice. What I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be putting on a BBR stage 2 ignition system, because I think the ignition system, or the CDI system, which stands for capacitated discharge ignition, I think it's limiting, or it can't keep up, and I'm going to see if this one can. This is basically just a catnip, really, I think. But I don't know anything about the catnip. I do have 2 or 3 of these, so I'm going to put one on here. I've already painted it fluorescent orange, and now I'm taking the expansion chamber off. And I had all this video before my accident, and I'm just now getting up where I can get to the computer, get it edited, and get it out. Feeling good enough to do that. So like I said, I'm getting better every day. I want to thank everybody for their thoughts and prayers. I really do. I appreciate it very much. So we're just taking the old CDI ignition off. And right now we're just going to do a little cleaning, and that's all. And towards the end of this video, we're going to throw some shout outs to some really good channels. Y'all need to check out. It's a really good community that we have, and it's there for everybody. So check them out. Subscribe to them. Good information. Most definitely good information. We're just basically cleaning everything up. These things are nasty. So now that's the box all painted up and everything, and I want to mount it in a halfway decent looking and sturdy. I went through this whole bike, and the axle failed last time. Well, the balls failed in it. And I think the balls literally failed. But anyway, I've got sealed bearings in the back, and towards the end of this video, I'll show you some other stuff I did. Right now, I'm going to mark out a cardboard template. I kind of want to get the sweep of that just to put on to the bracket so it looks halfway decent. Like I planned to do what I did a little bit. And I hope everybody's doing really well. Please be careful out there. Stuff happens in the blink of an eye, and it's definitely it sucks. Okay, I'm trying to find a proper word for it, but there's really no other word that I could come up with. It just really sucks. And like I said, just be careful out there. I mean, stuff happens very fast and quicker than you think. So I'm just basically shortening it up a little bit. I'm kind of want just the rake of it a little bit to transfer it onto the bracket, just at the bottom end of the bracket, so it follows the frame. And that's pretty much all I'm doing. So we got that done. We're just measuring the diameter of the tube, and it came in just a hair under an inch and a half, and this is a Kent Del Rio. It's an aluminum frame. So I'm just laying out a simple bracket that's going to fold over the frame itself. Now I'm going to use that cardboard I cut just to get that rake for the side. And you can see it right there. Just so it looks like it follows the frame, just like actually I had thought this through a little bit, and that's really the only reason it's there. You could go straight, whatever. Clean it up. Now there's several different ways that you can break and bend metal. I fortunately have a small box break, but you can do it with a couple pieces of tube. Got a little too much. Get your square out, check it. That one's good. The other one's a little too much. Bend that one back, and I actually went a little too much. Put it back in there. All right, there we go. So I'm going to take the kill switch off because it's all wired into the old one, and I'm not sure whether I'm going back on with it or not. Killing these things has never been a problem. Keeping them running is a problem. So if I need to put it back on, I'll put it back on. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not going back on with and that takes care of the old ignition system right there. And I'll be adding some more lights to the front of my handlebars, but that'll have to be in the future, not right now. So I'm just center punching the bracket that we made. I've already put the box on it, and center punching it, drilling it. And that's a piece of PVC block, holding an 1.5 inch block, holding it in there. So I don't bend it, drilling it, or center punching it, or anything like that. So I'm just going to take my deep nib marker here, and I'm going to mark the frame. Wasn't happy with that, I guess. And you kind of see where that kind of follows the frame a little bit. And it's going to be taken down and painted again, because touching it, you get grease on it and everything else. So I got it marked. I'm going to center punch it. I'm going to drill it. but I'm drilling it to put in rivet nuts, and I do like those. See the coil where it's mounted right up under the gas tank. I did that with a couple of standoffs, and here. Now getting back here, I shortened that up. And that was me trying to cut a snap ring groove, and that disc blew up, and wasn't a nice thing. And so I just decided to weld it on. The heck with the snap ring, is proprietary to this build, so it'll never come off there. It makes the wheel narrower and a lot easier to come on and off. I don't recommend trying it. I really don't. So that's it. Let's get y'all some shout outs here. Really good channels. Y'all check them out. And thank you so very much for watching.